I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a BMW X3 cabin air filter. First, gather your essential tools, a T20 Torx driver and a fresh cabin air filter. This simple task can significantly improve your vehicle's air quality. Make sure your car is safely parked on a level surface with the engine completely off before you begin. The filter housing is conveniently located behind the glove box, making access straightforward for this easy method. Now let's get to the filter. Begin by opening your glove box and clearing out any items to give yourself ample working space. Next, grab your T20 Torx driver and carefully remove the 3 screws holding the lower panel in place. Once those are out, gently pull down on the panel. It should detach easily, revealing the cabin air filter housing directly behind it, ready for the next step. With the housing exposed, you're almost done. Locate the 2 small retaining tabs on the filter housing cover and unclip them. This will allow you to easily slide out the old, often very dirty, cabin air filter. Notice the direction of the airflow arrow on the old filter. Now, take your new filter and insert it, making sure its airflow arrow points in the same direction, typically towards the rear of the vehicle. To finish up, simply reverse the steps. First, reattach the filter housing cover, ensuring the 2 retaining tabs click securely into position. Then, align the lower panel and push it back into place, securing it with the 3 T20 Torx screws you removed earlier. Finally, close your glove box. You've successfully replaced your cabin air filter, a quick task that provides a noticeable improvement in your vehicle's interior air quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.